Hello, everyone. I'm Anas Al Ubaidi, and the fourth lecture or the fourth session or fourth topic within chapter 19 of the Advanced Medical Science Liaison and Medical Monitor Certification Course Program by CCRPS. As the chapter is about the advanced monitoring strategies, while the topic or the lecture within this chapter is about the advanced monitoring technologies in data analysis. Introduction. The integration of advanced monitoring technologies with cutting edge data analysis techniques has transformed modern healthcare, us hearing in a new era of precision, efficiency, and predictive medicine. These advancements enable healthcare professionals to collect, process, and evaluate vast amounts of real time patient data, providing insights previously unattainable. Wearable devices, IoT based remote monitoring tools, and implantable sensors now allow continuous health tracking, while innovations like machine learning (ML) and predictive analytics enable early detection of diseases and informed decision making. For advanced physician medical monitors or MMs, mastery of these technologies is critical. Today's clinical research and healthcare delivery increasingly rely on data-driven strategies that enhance patient outcomes, improve diagnosis accuracy, and streamline healthcare operations. These innovations also enable proactive interventions, mitigate risk, and offer personalized care, ultimately reducing hospital readmissions and healthcare costs. This lecture, this session, this topic explores the key technologies driving these advancements, the sophisticated data analysis, methods aiding decision making, the challenges inherent to implementation, and the latest innovations shaping the future. By understanding these components, advanced physician medical monitors (MMs) can effectively integrate technological solutions into their practice and clinical trials, ensuring optimal outcomes. Key points. We'll start with key monitoring technologies in healthcare. Advanced monitoring devices are crucial for real time patient tracking and clinical decision making. Below, the followings are the most significant technologies currently revolutionizing healthcare. We'll start with wearable devices as description compact, non invasive devices capable of tracking health metrics in real time. Functions monitor heart rate, oxygen saturation, sleep patterns, and activity levels. As for an example, smartwatches like Fitbit and Apple Watch track physical activity to manage chronic conditions. Continuous monitoring of sleep apnea using wearable pulse oximeters. Then we have remote patient monitoring. RPM description utilizes IoT connected devices to monitor patients at home, transmitting data for off-site evaluation. Functions tracks conditions such as blood glucose or blood pressure, for instance, supports chronic disease management. As for example, remote patient monitoring (RPM) systems monitor heart failure patients post-discharge, reducing readmission rates by detecting subtle health deteriorations early. Then we have implantable devices, description internally placed systems offering continuous monitoring of critical health indicators. Functions monitor glucose, cardiac rhythms, and more. As for an example, Medtronic's implantable pacemakers record and transmit real time cardiac function data. Continuous glucose monitors, CGMS for short, assist diabetes patients in maintaining blood sugar control. Advanced imaging systems, description, high resolution imaging modalities providing enhanced diagnostic accuracy functions support surgical interventions and early detection of abnormalities. As for an example, MRI systems provide detailed tissue imaging for oncology patients. 3D imaging guides neurosurgeons during sensitive procedures. Smart beds, description beds integrated with sensors to monitor hospital and patients' movements, vitals, and respiration functions, reduce fall risks, and detect early signs of clinical deterioration. Example: AI driven smart beds in ICUs, intensive care units, alert healthcare providers to critical changes in breathing, or heart rate. Key takeaway: these technologies provide continuous monitoring and enhance clinical decision making, ensuring high levels of patient safety and diagnostic precision. And here is a summarizing diagram on revolutionizing healthcare monitoring, as we have wearable devices, remote patient monitoring, and implantable devices. Advanced data analysis techniques. Harnessing the full potential of monitoring technologies requires robust data analysis techniques. These methods transform raw data into actionable clinical insights. We have predictive analytics. Description analyzes historical and real time data to forecast potential health events, applications, early detection of risks such as sepsis or strokes. As for an example, intensive care unit data, ICU data streams identify patients at risk for organ failure through early warning models based on vital statistics. Prescriptive analytics describes description builds on predictive models to recommend optimized interventions, as, for example, personalized chemotherapy regimens for cancer patients based on genomic analysis. Machine learning ML description algorithms detect patterns within large data sets, enabling advanced diagnostics. Applications identifies diseases, selects tailored treatments, and clusters patients by risk. Example: Google's ML algorithm analyzes the machine learning algorithm for Google, analyzes retinal imaging to detect diabetic retinopathy with high accuracy. Big data integration description unifies data from diverse sources such as electronic health records, EHRs, clinical research, and remote monitoring systems. Examples: population level big data analyzes vaccination trends to anticipate flu outbreak patterns. Real time analytics. Description processes immediate physiological changes to adjust treatments swiftly. Applications for it would be provides rapid blood gas analysis for critical care patients. As for an example, an ICU intensive care unit alarm system triggers with when oxygen saturation drops in real time. Key takeaway: advanced data analysis bridges the gap between raw monitoring data, and informed, actionable medical decisions. And here's a diagram on advanced data analysis in healthcare, as we have here: predictive analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, machine learning, big data integration, and real time analytics. Benefits of advanced monitoring technologies and data analysis. Despite of the order, first benefit will start with enhanced patient outcomes, as early alarms enable interventions before issues escalate. As for an example, continuous hypertension monitoring reduces stroke incidence. As here, incidence meaning the amount or the percentage or of new diagnosis for a certain disease. So stroke incidence reduces stroke incidence, meaning reduces lowering a new diagnosis of stroke. Personalized care therapies are tailored to individual patient characteristics, as, for example, genomic profiling adjusts precision to cancer treatment plans. Cost efficiency, preventive tracking minimizes visits, emergency room visits, and hospitalizations. Example: RPM, remote patient monitoring, reduces complications in post op cardiac or heart patients. Operational efficiency. Automated systems handle routine tasks, reducing workload on staff, as for example, AI, artificial intelligence algorithms extract key insights from electronic health records, EHRs enabling faster decisions. Public health applications, large scale monitoring enables better epidemic management, as for example, syndromic surveillance algorithms flagged emerging COVID 19 clusters early. Key takeaway: as here, integrating technology and data analysis improves both patient level care and broader public health outcomes. And here is a summarizing diagram on benefits, advanced monitoring technologies, clinical and personal care. Here, operational efficiency, public health benefits here, individual patient benefits. As here lies the or locates the continuous hypertension monitoring. Here locates the syndromic surveillance for COVID-19. Here locates the RPM remote patient monitoring for post-op heart or cardiac patients, and here locates the AI algorithms in EHR's electronic health records. Challenges in implementation: data security and privacy. Challenge safeguarding HIPAA compliant patient information from breaches. As a solution for that, apply blockchain, the audit trail system, blockchain technology for secure, immutable health records. Device integration, the challenge synchronizing heterogeneous IoT devices and systems. Solution for that, platforms, standardize interoperability across devices. Data overload, challenge managing vast amounts of incoming patient data. Solution for that, cloud based systems scale to meet analysis demands efficiently. Accuracy and bias, or accuracy and errors, challenge ML. Machine learning models may incorporate biases or errors from incomplete or flawed data. Resolution for that is to train algorithms on diverse and high quality data sets for fairer predictions. User training, challenge here: healthcare professionals may lack data literacy skills. Solution for that: integrate regular training programs focused on machine learning and advanced analytics. The key takeaway: addressing these challenges is critical for effective adoption of technologies in clinical settings. And here is a summarized diagram on how to address challenges in technology adoption, device integration, accuracy and bias, data overload, and data security. Recent advancements here: AI despite of the order, we have AI augmented monitoring tools, as AI for artificial intelligence, as machine learning ML algorithms prevent missed clinical events. Example: AI predicts hospital acquired infections before prior to symptoms appear. Blockchain for records management verifies patient data authenticity and enhances privacy. Example: blockchain ensures secure sharing of clinical trial results. Advanced genomics tailors individuals' care through genetic data analysis, as for example, hereditary risk detection for familial cancer syndromes. IoT expansion, new wearable solutions monitor in, entry gait biomarkers like posture and gait. Example: IoT based gait trackers improve Parkinson's patient rehabilitation outcomes. Edge computing progress. Localized analysis delivers localized analysis delivers instant insights without relying solely on cloud transfers. Example: wearables with built-in AI calculate ECG, EKG abnormalities instantly. The key takeaway here: as these ongoing technological advancements are redefining personalized medicine, health monitoring, and clinical research. And here is a summarized diagram on transforming healthcare with technology: AI augmented monitoring tools, blockchain for records management, advanced genomics, IoT expansion, edge computing progress. Applications in practice: we have technology analysis, example application for each. As technologies analysis, we have wearable devices, predictive analytics, smart beds, smart beds, blockchain and genomics integration. Final takeaway. Advanced monitoring technologies combined with data analysis are revolutionizing how medical conditions are diagnosed, managed, and prevented. Through precise, real time insights, these innovations empower healthcare professionals to provide proactive, personalized, and efficient care. Advanced physician medical monitors (MMs) are uniquely positioned to lead this transformation, leveraging the tools and methodologies outlined in this lecture or session to ensure groundbreaking improvements in patient care and clinical research outcomes. By addressing challenges head on and staying informed of advancements, they can harness the full potential of modern medical technologies. And here is a summarized diagram on transforming healthcare with advanced monitoring technologies. We have here enhanced diagnosis, improved management, prevention strategies, empowered healthcare professionals. Summary tables, upcoming tables to summarize what we have covered through this lecture. As here we have a table on key monitoring technologies, technology description, example, function, impact on healthcare, technologies, wearable devices, remote patient monitoring, implantable devices, advanced imaging systems, and smart beds. Table on advanced data analysis techniques, technique description, example, application, benefit, and the techniques are predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, machine learning, ML, big data integration, real-time analytics. Table on benefits of advanced monitoring technologies and analytics. Benefit area advantage, example, why it matters, healthcare impact as benefit areas, improved patient outcomes, personalization, cost efficiency, enhanced efficiency, and population health benefits. We have table on challenges and solutions and implementation, challenge, problem, proposed solution, example, outcome. As challenges, data security and privacy, integration and compatibility, data overload, accuracy and bias or errors, training, expertise. Table on emerging innovations as innovation description, example, key advantage, practical impact. Innovations, AI augmented monitoring, blockchain for health records, advanced genomics, IoT driven wearable sensors, and edge computing devices. Application table, scenario, for each scenario, key principle applied, key actions, timeline, what to watch out for. As scenarios, we have continuous monitoring for diabetes management, personalized oncology treatments, ICU intensive care unit patient early warning system, large scale COVID 19 vaccine deployment, post surgery rehabilitation for orthopedics, Parkinson's disease therapy optimization, full prevention in elderly care homes, early detection of intensive care unit ICU sepsis, rare disease monitoring through genomics tools, and then cardiovascular remote patient monitoring. And then we will be revising using some MCQs or multiple choice questions. As question one, which healthcare monitoring technology involves the use of implanted systems to provide real-time health data? Is it A, remote patient monitoring, RPM, B, wearable devices, C, implantable devices, D, smart beds? So, which healthcare monitoring technology involves the use of implanted systems to implantable devices? C. So C is the answer. Implantable devices such as continuous glucose monitors and cardiac defibrillators are placed inside the body and provide real-time metrics, enabling healthcare providers to closely monitor internal conditions. What is a primary use of predictive analytics in healthcare? Is it A, predicting a patient's reaction to untested medications, B, recommending medications without prior health data, C, forecasting potential health risks based on historical and real time data, or D, replacing physician recommendations entirely? So, the only one applicable here and the most accurate answer on regard predictive, the use of predictive analytics is C, as forecasting potential health risks based on historical and real-time data. As predictive analytics uses past records and current health data to anticipate outcomes such as stroke risks or sepsis, enabling early intervention and improved patient outcomes. Question three, which challenge associated with advanced monitoring technologies can be resolved by using blockchain? Is it data overload? A. B. Integration and compatibility issues. C. Ensuring secure and immutable patient data storage. Or D. Training healthcare professionals in diagnostic tools. So, immutable patient data, secure patient data. So, the answer for the blockchain you would be, or the same of trail system, would be C, as ensuring secure and immutable patient data storage. As blockchain technology securely stores and shares patient data, ensuring compliance with regulations like HIPAA and reducing risks of data breaches. Question 4: what is an advantage of real time analytics in healthcare monitoring? Is it A, delays treatment decisions to ensure accuracy? B, allows immediate response to sudden health changes? C, integrates historical data exclusively for insights? Or D, requires manual updates for effective responses? So, real time analytics, advantage of real-time analytics in healthcare monitoring. So allows real time. Why do we need real time? And or for immediate action, immediate response. So allows as of B allows immediate response to sudden health changes. As B is the answer. Real time, as real time analytics processes data as it is generated, enabling healthcare providers to respond swiftly to critical changes such as dropping oxygen saturation in intensive care unit ICU patients. Question 5: how can wearable devices contribute to managing chronic illnesses? Is it by A, providing real time health data externally? B, by replacing the need for all physician visits? C, by limiting data collection during specific times of the day? Or D, by avoiding the use of remote monitoring systems? So only correct answer, accurate correct answer would be A, by providing real-time health data externally, real-time health data, wearable devices. So this is the only applicable choice is A. So A is the answer. As wearable devices like smartwatches and biosensors track vital signs and report insights such as heart rate or physical activity, enabling better management of conditions like diabetes and hypertension. And here we come to end of this lecture. Thank you very much and goodbye.